All right, the latest on Isaias. The next update will be coming in very shortly. The 8 o'clock update showing a tropical storm, a strong one at that, just under hurricane status, maximum sustained wind 70 miles per hour, moving northwest at 9, and it should get pretty close to the east coast of Florida, somewhere between Palm Beach County and the Space Coast sometime tomorrow afternoon. Here is the model plot. Some of these plots have actually shifted to the west, so I wouldn't be surprised if the 11 o'clock update had the cone a little bit farther to the west, but still well away from southwest Florida. Now, hurricane warnings are in effect from the Florida-Georgia line just off the coast around Jacksonville all the way down toward Miami-Dade County and inland from the Space Coast to parts of Palm Beach County. Now, tropical storm warnings in effect a little bit farther inland, just south of Jacksonville, around St. Augustine along the coast to the Orlando area. Also Lake Okeechobee, in and around Lake Okeechobee, and it looks like inland Palm Beach and Broward counties, as well as coastal Miami-Dade County. All right, the wind speed and direction right now out of the east and northeast on our southwest Florida coast, 10 to 15 miles per hour in many cases. Now, on the east coast, of course, a little stronger, closer to Isaias. So Boca Raton, a 23 mile per hour wind, West Palm Beach at 16, and the wind gust right now on our coast 10 to 15, not so bad. On the other coast, nearly tropical storm force wind gust in Boca Raton at 35 miles per hour. Jupiter and West Palm Beach, as well as Fort Lauderdale, in the mid-20s. And again, that will increase as Isaias makes its way closer to the east coast. Now you're looking at the potential of tropical storm force wind, and you can see in southwest Florida, in Charlotte, DeSoto, Lee, and Collier County, less than 10% chance of tropical storm force wind. It starts amping up as you get toward Lake Okeechobee, 10 to 20% around the LaBelle area, and by the time you hit Clewiston and Moorhaven, 30 to 40% chance of tropical storm force wind. Now, we'll show you the wind field. Not much in the way of wind the farther west you go or southwest. The stronger the wind field is to the north and northeast. Now, the red is hurricane force wind. The orange is about 60 mile per hour strong tropical storm force wind. And the yellow is tropical storm force wind. So it does look like it gets pretty close to Moorhaven and Clewiston, Buckhead Ridge and Lakeport, Sebring, as well as Lake Placid. And then by Sunday afternoon, as Isaias makes its way to the north, and we don't worry about that at all, and it continues to move toward the coastal Carolinas. Now, the predictor on wind showing that throughout the overnight hours, looking at a north wind right around 10 miles per hour on our coast, 20 to 30 on the east coast. And as I fast forward this, you'll see 10 to 20 mile per hour wind speed, definitely not out of the question, maybe even a little bit stronger with those rain bands coming in, 25 to 30 miles per hour in the rain bands, and stronger in and around Lake Okeechobee around 20 to 30 miles per hour. But now we're into Sunday evening, so the wind calms down a bit, around 10 to 15 across much of southwest Florida. You see the deep purple. That is the stronger wind of Isaias as it moves up the coast up to about 32 mile per hour wind in Daytona Beach. And then Monday morning, things subside here in southwest Florida. Storm Shield Doppler radar showing you that the rain bands are coming in from Isaias. They will continue to do so throughout the overnight hours, right around Buckhead Ridge toward Moorhaven, another 30 minutes or so, and you'll have a rain band coming in. And here is Isaias, and you can see it almost throwing those rain bands out from the center, even though the center of circulation is actually to the south and west of this strong convection due to that southwesterly wind shear. And you can really see the wind shear, the center of the storm right in this general area, and the convection being blown to the north and to the northeast with that wind shear. Also encountering some dry air as it tries to move to the northwest. And look at all the dry air in southwest Florida. That again is going to help our weather here on Sunday. Overnight, I mentioned isolated threat of showers throughout the night and into your Sunday morning as Isaias makes its way toward the east coast. And I think a better chance of scattered showers, maybe a couple of thunderstorms as we see those rain bands with gusty wind on Sunday. And then into Monday, not as much in the way of rain as it pulls some of the moisture to our north. How much rain? Well, really not all that much. You can see if you're lucky in these rain bands, you'll get an inch or so of rain, but I think many of of us will be between 1/4 and 3/4 of an inch of rain. Today it was pretty warm out. 95 in Fort Myers, Naples 94, Cape Coral. Now you see temperatures are in the mid to upper 70s. Well, overnight we're going to dip into the upper 70s and really stay there. In fact, low 90s for your Sunday. Monday, scattering of showers and storms, a typical rainy season pattern as we head to